Yes, we see it somewhere when you use GPT-3, for example. It has those small AGI capabilities, but still it's not the human level that you are talking to.
Now, can you define AGI and does it fear you in the future? Because all the big CEOs like Jensen Huang, Mark Zuckerberg, they said there in their talk that currently we are in a stage, there's a possibility कि AI can, grow on its own. आपने बताया that because of reinforcement learning, it can fix its mistakes. It can continue to train more pieces on its own. It can create more AI models on its own. So AGI is not far. अगर आप AGI human, like artificial general intelligence को देखा जाए in terms of English abilities, it's better than humans already. So we have achieved AGI in some cases in terms of language abilities, Spanish, English, Hindi. It is acing it, like results prove it. So are you scared of AGI and can you define AGI, please?
So AGI, yes, AGI is also called artificial general intelligence. It's similar to getting human level cognition in your models. And we are definitely very far from reaching to AGI. Yes, we see it somewhere when you use GPT-3, for example. It has those small AGI capabilities, but still it's not the human level that you are talking to. It was made in a way that when you chat with GPT-3, it gives you results on ChatGPT-3. Then it gives you results based on if you're talking to a human, but it's still not there. We are definitely, OpenAI, for example, has specific collaborations and in the market where they are moving towards AGI, but we are still not there. The lack of, I will say, availability of data right now is the problem. So we say that there's 400 billion data, blah, 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 but it's still not there for what we want to reach to AGI. So we are far.
और इसमें सबसे बड़ा challenge है what I have read is that now, because in the era of ChatGPT from the last 2 years, some of the data is also AI generated, it's artificial. So clean karna, because many AI engineers feel that, training based on existing AI data could be more hallucinated, जैसे आपने define किया. So it does lack a lot of preparations to be done. So do you want to speak more on that?
No, definitely you're right when you say कि AI generated data होता है और वही हम hallucinations बोलते हैं उसे. But AI generated data, again, it will be from the data that you have provided it, right? The base is only everything, like in AI, it's what you have provided and what the machine has learned from it. So even the data that it's generating on its own is the data prone to many mistakes because it's AI generated. So to clean that data is definitely crucial. And if we can build models which can help us clean that hallucinated data, that will be perfect. But right now, as I said, feedback is the optimal feedback, and how you can train your model again on that data, provide a validation set from your from the data which is correct, which is, for example, there's some data generated by AI, and there's some data that you already have from your test results or etc. You can use that original data set for validation, and you can use that for training. So the model will know that, okay, my actual data, which is a validation data, I'm failing here and here. So we can have a model, or there might be something already in the market where they'll be like, okay, then whatever is different in that data which is generated by just change from validation. If you find like something false positive or something positive and it's negative in that, just go and change it. Fine tune the model using a smaller data set of good data.
But data management is also very difficult. आपकी टीम में आपने देखा है, like are there people like, because there's millions of data parts, right? Like an engineer cannot look at entire data. So how do they manage looking at it?
I don't think so. Anyone looks at it in a human way, right? Machines are there. So I don't care about how big my data set is. I just want to train it. And to train a model in Python or using any other automated skill, we can just write 2 lines of code and have it trained. It's a time that we are putting in. It's not like I'm looking at the data. If the people who have built GPT, they didn't look at any of the data. They just provided all the data to the model. So you don't go to human level to look at it, right? It's not like I'm looking at Excel sheets.